Hello YouTube and welcome to another episode of Model Restorations. For this video I just wanted to go over some of the cars that I've built for 2022. Had a lot of fun building all these, and so I just wanted to showcase them a little bit. So here's the first one. I actually built this probably back in January. It was for a one of the online competitions that I often join. This was actually a new kit, not something I saved. I loved how it turned out. This is actually one of my favorite models. The rims are actually from Dom's, the Dom's kit from Fast and Furious, from the GTX kit, and I think they just fit perfect on this Super B. I don't remember what that front fin is from. There's a shot of the motor. And I'm going to go through these kind of quickly because, believe it or not, I have a lot of them. Real quick, so on this hood, this was kind of a mistake. I shot the, I wanted the hood black. I had originally shot it the body color, but I did it too soon before the base coat had dried, and it kind of made it crackled like this. But I kind of went with it. I kind of liked it, so I just left it. So anyway, that's that one. You may have seen this on my other video. This is that 77 Trans Am. It is done now. I'm calling this one done. I really like how this one turned out. I added some decals on the hood. Just a lot of fun to build this one. Next up is one I actually did for an online competition for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And I had a lot of fun with this one. I wanted to make it look mean. And so that's why, I made the stacks as high as I could. I just have some writing on the back of the window there. And this was another just really fun build. Let's take a look at the motor. Looks like I did not finish all the wiring on it, but most of it is pretty much done. Again, that was a really fun build for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. This is actually the GTO that I had on another video. This one actually I got in parts. I added the decals to the side, but that's about it. For this one, I just mainly put it back together. So I kind of left it what it was. There's not a lot of detail to it. They did do a good job though, so I kind of just wanted to leave it. I think I am going to go back and swap the wheels and tires on this. I can't leave it alone. I love hot rods and modifying cars and that sort of thing, so I don't think I'm going to be able to leave this one alone. I don't know. Time will tell. Here is another one that I call the amino. And this one I just did for another competition online. And I kind of wanted to do something different. So I actually added, you can kind of see here, a pool table in the back. I also have two in the back window. And this one was a lot of fun. Unfortunately, we could only use what came in the box. So the sticks took quite a bit of time because I had to sand them down. But I think they turned out pretty darn good. And this was just some of the leftover sprue that I used. I added the balls later because since it was just a competition for stuff you could use in the box, these are just BBs. But I wanted to have some balls on the table. And so I added those at a later date. It does have a fold down rear hatch, and some of the detail I did was, it's missing this piece of trim right here, and I added the mounting holes for that. I believe I finished the motor. I did. Yeah, this one I added some detail as far as the fuel lines, all the plug wires, and that sort of thing, and a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. Like I said, this one was a lot of fun to build. And that's the Camino.